Welcome to the channel, guys. In a new video, in a new day, we have the Fanttik T1 Max. This is a quick heating soldering machine. It's right here, brand new. I want to do an unboxing and share my experience with you. I did have Fanttik before. I bought the screwdriver from Costco. I'm going to do a video about that, and an unboxing and a first review about it. But today we have the T1 Max. اليوم بالنسبة للدراري المغاربة ديالنا عندنا هذه كاوية، نيش يقولوا لها كاوية. هذه كاوية بلا خيط كتشارجا، ce qui veut dire wireless welding or wireless quick heating soldering machine, not a welder. Alright, let's open it up and see. There is the specifications right here. You can pause it and read it. It will cost you around, I got it on the Black Friday, will cost you around $50 or $60, it depends, give or take. كتبقى بواحد 600 درهم ولا 500 درهم بحال ما هكاك. المهم خليوها بحال هكدا كتجي البواطة. Let's fix the camera a little bit right here. Okay, that's perfect. This is the Fanttik Precision Soldering Iron. This is the user manual. هذا هو الكتاب ديالها كيجي معاه بحال هكدا. وهنا كيجيو 3 ديال المجورة. 3 boxes. I believe that this Fanttik right here, they are very professional on their boxing. How they represent their boxes, their items, their accessories. Everything is very detailed, very clean and very nice. تعجبني هاد الماركة هادي بزاف لحقاش ديما تيديروا على هكذا لا كاليتي ديالهم زوينة و تيعطيو لي زاكسسوار وداكشي كيكون نقي، تيكون مقاد، تيكون كلشي مزيان. This is the first time I unboxed this one. I have no idea what is all this stuff. I believe this is the stand. We are going to figure out. Let's take this one off. Look at this quality. Very pretty. Good quality, good material, beautiful paint job, very clean. Like I said, I tried the screwdriver of the Fanttik brand. I bought it in Costco, it was on sale, and I love that thing. So every time I see this brand, I need to buy what they propose to me, because they are very good. This is a Type-C cable, because like we said, it's wireless, so it's rechargeable. We need a Type-C. Those things, I believe that there are for the soldering, what they call it, I have no idea what they call it. Hold on, let me see if they even include it in here. Maybe that. We'll go back to it and we'll see. We have tweezers, pretty tweezers, not a bad quality, not very flimsy, pretty good. In here, I believe that those are the sponges that you can clean the tip of your soldering on. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 yellow and 5 black. Very nice. And that will do it from the first box. We're done with the first box. And this pouch, like we said, is very pretty, very good quality. Let's go to the second box. I believe this is the main thing. This is our soldering iron or soldering machine. هذه هي الكاوية ديالنا، غادي تجي بحال ما هكدايا هاد الكريطينة، غتجي دايرة بحال ما هكا، هادي هي الكاوية ديالنا. This is the soldering iron machine. You have adjustable temperature. in Fahrenheit no Celsius. بحال هكذا كتجينا فيها بوطونة وحدة وفيها الضوء هنايا. There's LEDs in here around. There's like a round LED circle. Very good quality. I believe this is iron. One button. And هنايا كتجي لا température. كتشدها هنايا type C for charging. Alright, let's leave this one on the side. Put this box back. And let's see. This one, I don't remember the name of it exactly. I'm not professional in soldering or anything. This is actually my first good quality solder. I always get those trash garbage soldering iron machines, like $5 or $10. But this thing, I believe that the thing that you take with it, the solder out, like you suck with it, the soldering, like a pump. It have a specific name. I can look it up, but you'll know what I'm talking about. هذا هو اللي كيمص داك السوداج اللي تيكون في الكارطمير داكشي. هذا هو اللي كيمص داكشي. واعر. There's another item in here. And I believe the last but not least we have on the box is the stand, the plate itself, I believe. Let's see. There's like a little representative icon right here. I don't know what that means, but I believe it's the stand because that's the only thing we're missing. وهذه هي الطبيلة ديالها علاش تتحط وعلاش غادي تخدم. طاح لينا الطبيسين. There's a little plate. That's where you put your sponges. It said tips are inside, which is right here. That's why I like this brand. It have beautiful details. You press and it came out. There's your tips. There's a little drawer that you can take off or keep inside. إلا بغيتي تخليه ولا تحيدو هذا بحال المجير وهنا تيكونوا دوك الميسات ديال الكاوية وكتردو يتحل بالبوش. You open it by pushing in, pushing out. And here where you put your little sponges. And I believe this one is magnetic. Go to the base, just like this. Yeah. It's magnetic. There's a magnet right here inside that you just put this one in here. And it goes inside. And it turns. Listen to this click. That's quality. That's what I'm talking about. That's very good quality for the price. This brand, if you all hear me, Fanttik, if you all see my video, you all a very good brand. So far I have two of your materials. I have the solder and I have the big screwdriver. I'm still getting the small screwdriver automatic, and I'm getting the small screwdriver manual. So we will have 4. But hey, we still have the big screwdriver in box because I bought 2 of those. So we're gonna do the unboxing of that one and the automatic new one and the manual. And I guess that's we're gonna wrap the video. شفتوا كي كتجي الخوط راه كتجي بحال هكا فيها واحد الكليك زوين زعما كاينه واحد لا كاليتي واعره بزاف فهمتيني. لا كاليتي ديالها ما تناقش فيها. هاد لا ماركه ديال فانتيك لا كاليتي ديالها واعره بزاف. انا عجباتني وخدمت بها وعجبتني وجربت بزاف ديال الماتيريال ديالهم. عندي واحد لو تورنوفيس غادي ندير فيديو ديالو حتى هو، وعندي ويلا كومونديت واحد 2 ديال لي تورنوفيس واحد اخرين حتى هما غندير لهم لي فيديو ديالهم وغادي نشوفوهم حتى هما كيفاش دايرين. Alright guys, if you all have any question, let me know down in the comment section. If you all want to know anything about this solder or any other material of Fanttik, let me know. This was just an unboxing. I'm going to try it in one of my videos. Probably I will put a video when we're gonna solder something with it to see how it works, and from there we will give it a note or something. Alright guys, y'all take care and see you in the next video. يلا تهلاو الخوت. Peace. نشوفكم في الفيديو الجاي.